Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? As you know that we have started chapter number 1, heating and cooling. Today our topic is radiation. In this diagram you can see that food is being cooked under the grill. This the heat must travel from this heating element of the grill to the food downward. But you know that heat cannot be carried by convection, as convection carries the hot air upwards, and the heat cannot be conducted to this food because there is air in between the food and the heating element of the grill, and air is a bad conductor of heat. So there must be another way of moving heat to the food, and this way is radiation. We can define radiation that radiation is the mode of transfer of heat from one place to another in the form of waves called electromagnetic waves. The heat travels as tiny electromagnetic waves called infrared waves. The hotter an object is, the more radiation it emits. Sun is the major source of heat and light for the earth. Heat from the sun reaches the earth as electromagnetic waves or radiations. The distance between the sun and the earth is 150 km, and there is also a vacuum between the sun and the earth. As you know that there is no material medium in the vacuum, so the heat of the sun cannot reach the earth by conduction or convection. It can only reach by the method that is radiation. Students, our next topic is emitters and observers. Some surfaces are better at emitting thermal radiations than others. Good emitters of radiations are also good observers. White or silvery surfaces are poor observers because they reflect most of the radiations. That is why in hot sunny countries houses are often painted white to keep them cool inside. Student, our next topic is comparing emitters. And in order to compare the emitters, we have to take two metal cans of equal size, and they are filled with same amount of water at the same temperature. You can see in this diagram that these cans are filled with equal amount of water, and the temperature of water is also same, that is 45 degrees Celsius here and 45 degrees Celsius in this can also. The only difference between the two cans is that can A has a dark surface and can B has a bright shiny surface. And after some time, when we note the temperature of the water, we will come to know that the water in can A cools more quickly than the water in can B. It is because a dark surface is better emitter of radiations than a shiny surface. In this diagram, in this graph that is plotted between time and temperature, time is taken along x-axis, temperature along y-axis, and we can see that this graph also shows that water in can A cools quickly as compared to the water in can B. Next, we have to compare between observer. For this, we have taken two metal plates of equal size. One metal plate is having shiny surface, and the other is having dark surface. Both these metal plates have thermometer attached at their back, and these two plates are fixed at equal distance from this thermal radiator of heat. After some time, we will come to know that dark surface are better observer of thermal radiation than shiny surface because the temperature of the dark surface rises more earlier as compared to the temperature of shiny surface. From this graph we can come to know that dark surface absorb heat more quickly than the shiny surface. Next, you can see in this diagram, and you also know that some buildings have solar panels on the roof. Solar panels use thermal radiation from the sun to heat the water, This blackened surface absorbs thermal radiation of the sun and warms the water that is flowing in the pipes. Next we have to do test yourself. Explain why. Part A. In hot countries, houses are often painted white. The answer will start from this line. White or shiny surfaces are poor absorber of thermal radiation because they reflect most of the radiation. That is why in hot sunny countries, houses are often painted white to keep them cool in. Part B. Explain why on hot summer days the inside of white car is cooler than the inside of a black car. Student, you have to take a statement of the question also, that on a hot summer days the inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car because black car absorbs heat more quickly than the white car. Part C. Explain why aluminium foil helps keep food warm. The answer is aluminium foil helps keep food warm because the silvery surface of aluminium foil reflects heat back into the food, so food remains warm. Part D. Explain why central heating radiators work better if they are painted black. Answer is central heating radiators work better if they are painted black because a dark surface radiates heat better than a shiny one.